Hey guys, what's up, wagwan? Welcome back to my little kitchen down a yard, yeah, man. I'm coming to you from down a Jam Dong, from the beautiful, beautiful island of Jamaica. Yeah, man. You see the settings, guys? I'm going to show you how to blame up on the season for doing a jerking. Whether on a jerk pork, jerk chicken, steamed fish, anything at all, roast fish, any jerking at all you have to do, guys. This are the Jamaican season. This are the Jamaican way. This is how we blame up our season to jerk our chicken and pork and roast fish and all these things, roast bird. Yeah? That's why we chicken so nice. That's why we pork so nice, because this is the foundation. This is where we start from. So I have some lovely pepper over here. Some scotch bonnet pepper. I have my scallion, my thyme, my pimento, onion, my garlic cloves, ginger, and I also have some vinegar that I am going to use. So yes, guys, this is the foundation. You see, from you have the season here, all you need is salt, you know. A salt alone you need a little all-purpose. And you're good to go. You don't need no whole heap of nothing else from you have them here. Them are the foundation. Alrighty. So we are getting to it. Because I go wash them and clean them up. Because the ginger is full of dirt, you know. Be a dirt. No dirty growing, eh? Can't expect no better, eh? In the Christmas season, yeah. Yeah, man. Yeah, man, guys. So guess what I'm going to do now? I'm going to clean up them bad boy season here. Them Jamaican season here. I tell you. But I don't even know where to start from, you know. But here what? Let me start from the pepper now. So I'm going to wash and clean up all of this. I know not to wash the ginger alone though, because guess what? Ginger full of dirt. Although I was washing it off still, but not full of dirt, man. So now that our pepper had finished, I'm going to toss in them bad boy ginger, yeah? Jamaican ginger. So I wash out back in the container too, you know, I rinse it out good because I'm going to stash it back in the container. Yeah. So we're going to go ahead now and clean up. Get this all clean. So what I'll do is just scrape the ginger. Not a problem if you peel it. If you are comfortable peeling your ginger, please go ahead and do so. Do what is comfortable to you. But I scraped it, alright. Alright guys, so what I'm doing, I'm washing the seasoning then separate. Right? I know you see it because, as I said, the ginger consists of a lot of dirt, growing of dirt, the skeleton as well. So you know, I just wash them single. Everybody I wash different, separate. Yeah, man. So I'm going to see the thing all clean and nice and blend up. So this is how we strip off our skeleton. We peel it off. These ones, they are not good. We consider them not good, we peel them off. And then we go ahead and we cut this part of the top here. We go back down at the tail part of the scallion, and once it look dry, we cut it off. Right? That's how we clean up our scallion. For the time now, we just wash them. You know, we don't cut off nothing off of them. We just wash them more than one time. Get them clean. So this scallion is clean and ready to blend up. Yeah, man. So we'll continue with all of them, yeah, until they are like this. Alright, my people, we reach down to the nitty-gritty, and babes, I help me strip the onion before we wash them. So we're going to strip off all of these onions and then we get into it. Alright guys, so onion finishes off the wash, so we're starting on the garlic now. So babe, start. So you know, I'm going to crack them on L2. I don't think I'm going to use all of these garlic cloves, but I need a few. My eyes are burning me. Yeah, burn you? I have burn me, man. You know how when them cut away, I go burn you more though. Run water. Alright, so these are our onion. We have our garlic cloves here. a lot of them guys, I use a lot of earth seasoning, you know. My husband always said that, say I use too much earth seasoning sometimes, but that's just me. I just believe that once you have earth seasoning, oh my God, you don't really need no whole heap of powder seasoning. So we're going to start the blending process here now, so come along. Alright guys, so now that everything is clean, as you can see, everything clean up and all of that. As for the pepper them now, what you can do is just remove the pepper stem. That's all you can do. You don't have to cut out the pepper. But if you are using a small blender, please go ahead and cut them up. I am not going to cut up my pepper. I'm just going to remove the stem from them and just throw everything in the blender, yeah? We don't want the stem in it. What I'm going to do now, I'm going to just cut these onions. I'm not going to cut them up too small. As I say, the blender that I have, I don't have to do that. I keep repeating myself, but you know, maybe somebody just log on and catch the video at this stage here. I'm probably wondering, so should I cut up your onion, you know? So these are for who just logging on late. I keep repeating myself. I don't have to cut them fine. I have a blender that I don't have to cut them fine. Alrighty. So I just basically chop them up. And it's the same thing I'm going to do with my ginger right over here. I'm going to just basically chop up my ginger. Yeah? Yes guys, so what I'm going to do now, I am using some vinegar to blend my season. So I'm going to pour some of the vinegar in my blender. About that, I mean, if I need any more, I will just pour a little more, right? So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to dash in the onion. So we're not going to put in everything at once, right? We're putting in some, and we're going to ensure that that blend out properly before we dash in the rest of them. Alright, so I'm dashing in a little garlic as well, adding some pimento berries. Alright, so let us blend this now and see how this turn out first. Season, right? We're gonna add as we go along. As for the scallion, I don't cut it up. What I'm going to do is just fold it like that. You can cut it up as well too, you know. You have to know the blender that you are working with. You can cut it up, all right? You can fold it. So you give it like a 3. You can cut it, and then you toss it into the blender. Right? We are also going to add some. You can't do without this, you know. Springtime. Oh gosh, man. Yeah, man. So I'm going to just fold it as well. I'm not going to cut it, and I'm going to just stick it right down there. So this is your Christmas season, you know, guys. You have to do your blending up, you know. You have to do some blending up. Because you don't have to jerk and have to roast and, you know. And you want the thing to smell good, you want your neighbor to smell it when you do it and say, wait. And when Mr. Jones am going in over there, Mr. Jones and Miss Jones, you don't know what that name my husband love use, right? Alright, let's get into it. Alright, so we are going to add more. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to add just a chops more vinegar. You don't want to add too much vinegar, because guess what, guys? When you finish blending your season, you will have one heap of water. You know? You don't want your season to be like that. You want it to be just good and alright. So you need to add the right amount of vinegar. Alrighty, so we're gonna cover and we're gonna blend. So we are going to continue to do this until all of our earth season blend out. So this is our final rest of season. We are adding, right, our final, adding in our pimento berries, the rest of the pimento berries, the rest of the onion, and we have some scallion over here. We're going to just add that as well to the blender. Alrighty, we're going to just cover and blend. Alright guys, so this look like it now, so I'm gonna show you the results. Wow, smell good, man. That burn my eye. Alright now guys, so yeah, let me, and you can go ahead, you can tip some salt in this, or you could put your favorite season that you always use. You could put some in it. But as for me, let me tell you the truth, I'm not putting nothing in my own. This is how I wanted it. I don't want any season, but you can go ahead and do that. You can put some of your favorite season. You can put some salt, you can jazz it up. But as I say guys, as for me, I ain't putting nothing. So this is my Christmas season. Yeah man, Christmas, the right at the corner this, so guys, right at the corner this. So make sure blend up your season because you're going to need it. Alrighty, so that's about it for today. So there is this one important thing that I need to tell you guys about your blend up season. You need to store it in a closed container. Get yourself a nice jar. Pour all of this blend up season in it. You may not blend up so much. It depends on your family settings and all of that, and it depends on how often you cook too. But this is something that cannot spoil. It can't spoil. So if you blend up too much, it's not gonna spoil. Just make sure you get a container that have a lid and you close it tightly, properly, and you store it in your fridge. Yes guys, so that is what I need to tell you before we go. Make sure you store it in your fridge, pouring it from your blender into your container of your desire, and you store it in your fridge, and booms, I eat that, I you that. Yeah man,